Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at combined sales. That means there is a mix of common stock and preferred stock in the sales. So Fairway Corporation issue 100 equity packages of securities for $82.8 per unit, or a total of $8,280. Now the question is, of that $8,280, how are we going to split between the common stock and the preferred stock? Because on the balance sheet, they have to be reported separately. So we have to look at this. Each equity package includes 2 shares of $10 per common stock and 1 share of $50 per preferred stock. So 2 to 1, that's the package. The separate fair values, if you look individually at the preferred stock and the common stock price is $16 in the market, and the preferred stock is $60. So how are we going to allocate this 8,280 so we can report them separately? So there will be 100 equity packages, and then the price is 82.8. So we can calculate the total money that will be received by the company is 8,280 as provided here. Okay, now the common stock and the preferred stock mix is 2 to 1. Because there are 100 packages, that means the company will issue 200 shares of common stock and 100 shares of preferred stock. The par value for the common stock is $10. Okay, from here, and the par value for the preferred stock is $50. And the market value is $16 for the common stock and $60 for the preferred stock. So we are going to use the fair value, the total fair value, to allocate the total money that we receive. Okay, so we're going to multiply 16 times 200 shares, $3,200 fair value for the common stock, and 60 times 100 shares, $6,000 for the preferred stock. So you see that preferred stock almost double in terms of the fair value. So the total of the two combined is 9,200. So we can calculate the percentage fair value of the common stock divided by total. So 34.78% is the fair value of the common stock, and 6,000 divided by 9,200, 65.22% is for the preferred stock, the fair value of the preferred stock. Then we can use that to allocate the total cash that the company receives. Okay, just to check, total is 8,280. So 34.78% times the total goes to common stock, and 65.22% of the total goes to the preferred stock. Okay, so let's prepare the journal entry. The company is going to get cash for the total of 8,280. The question is, how are we going to allocate this? So if we go with the common stock first, common stock, we are having a 200 shares at the par value of 10. So that means we need to put $2,000. But the amount allocated to the common stock is 2,880. So the difference would be additional paid in capital from common stock. Okay, the total allocation minus the par value. So 880 goes to the additional paid in capital. And then let's put preferred stock, which is 100 shares times the par value of 50. So that's gonna be 5,000. But because preferred stock is allocated 5,400, the difference will be put as additional paid in capital from preferred stock to differentiate between the two. Okay, so 5,400 minus 5,000 the par value, the amount for the additional paid in capital is $400. Okay, and if you have time, you can check that the total of the right hand side is equal to the total of left hand side. Just checking. So that's not part of the journal entry. So that's how we prepare the journal entry for issuing mix of stocks, or what we call combined sales. Thank you for watching.